Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn integers together, step by step. Integers are the whole numbers together with their negatives. This chapter shows how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them, and the simple rules for signs. Integers stretch in both directions from 0, negatives to the left, positives to the right. The further right a number sits, the greater it is. To add integers of the same sign, add and keep the sign. With different signs, subtract and take the sign of the larger. And subtracting a number is the same as adding its opposite. For -5 plus 3, the signs differ, so subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. The larger number, 5, is negative, so the answer is -2. For multiplication and division, same signs give a positive result, different signs give a negative. Two negatives make a positive. -6 times -4 is positive 24, since the signs match. -20 divided by 5 is -4, since the signs differ. To recap, integers include negatives. Subtracting means adding the opposite, and for multiplication and division, same signs give positive, different signs give negative. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.